EXPLUX A3++ DTF printer is engineered for professional level speed, accuracy, and convenience, making it perfect for studios, apparel brands, and growing printing businesses. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. With dual XP600 printheads delivering twice the print speed and stunning 5760 by 2880 dpi resolution, it produces vibrant, precise transfers for shirts, hoodies, shoes, accessories, and more. The 24-inch, A1 size, print width allows large format designs, while the heated drying system and advanced white ink circulation ensure consistent opacity and clog-free operation. Its 7-inch LED touchscreen gives you full control over print modes, cleaning, ink management, and multilingual settings with simple one-tap functions. This printer includes an auto-load ink system, electric lift and press paper wheel, and automatic timed cleaning for effortless workflow management, ideal for users aiming to scale production without complications. With software upgrades, Orion design tools, ICC profiles, and wide compatibility with Windows systems, it supports precise and reliable color output. The full kit comes with the A1 printer, automatic powder shaker, premium 24-inch DTF film, 5x1000 ml ink bottles, 2 kg powder, tools, tutorials, and more, plus a 1-year warranty and a 2-year ink supply. If you're looking to launch or expand your custom printing business, this machine delivers both performance and long-term value. You'll find the link to this product in the description below.